Hey guys, what's going on? I just want to make this video. The scientific polls for the Democratic debate are in, and the results are, as I suspected, Hillary won by a landslide. Now, you say to yourself, but what about those other polls that said that Bernie won? And even Drudge Report, a right-wing leaning poll having Bernie winning. Remember, mainstream media and corporate media wanted to say that those are non-scientific, so you really can't count those. So now they're in, and the polls are saying, whoo, Hillary won by a landslide. But the problem is that people that don't believe mainstream media, like myself and the Young Turks and Secular Talk, the bigger YouTube channels, I'm relatively small compared to them, but we're talking about it now. They're using polls where at least 65% of the people that they're asking didn't even watch the debate. So that's like going to a crime scene and you're a cop and you ask somebody, oh, did you see what happened? No, but who do you think did it? Oh, that guy right there. But you weren't here. Yeah, that guy, everybody's saying that he did it. So I'm gonna go along with them and say he did it. This is what's going on. They're calling people saying, hey, do you who do you think did you see the debate? No. Who do you think won? Hillary. Why? Because all the mainstream media is saying that she won. So this is what drives me crazy. I did a last video saying this is like a conspiracy, and I told you guys before I'm not really a conspiracy theorist, but the writing is on the wall. It looks like people from the Hillary campaign and the higher-ups are sitting in a dark room with cigars and laughing it up, trying to take us down. All the anti-establishment people trying to take down Bernie. When all the other polls, the people polls, the people who watched the debate, say he won. Now, Google came in and did their own scientific research with people that actually watched the debate. And guess who won? Bernie by almost 30 points. So, for people that don't follow politics and don't really watch debates and just go by what the newspapers and these news outlets say, they're gonna say, oh, they're saying that Hillary won. I'm pretty sure, I guess she won. I'm gonna go along with it. But we can't be sheep. Stop being sheep. Ask questions. Subscribe to channels like mine, Young Turk, Secular Talk. Subscribe to our channels, make our audience bigger. We are going to give you the in-depth, and I don't have a huge broadcasting budget, but I will go in there and search and search and search to make sure before I make videos that this is what's out there, and give you guys an unfiltered truth, not mainstream media establishment truth. This is what we're getting fed. Now guys, we have to double down. We have to push back hard. They're going to keep feeding that Hillary won. And do I think Bernie won by a landslide? No. He could have been better. Of course you could have been better. But this is his first national debate. He will be better in the second one. But according to the other polls, non-scientific polls, the people who saw the polls have him winning by an average of 70%. So don't fall through the cracks. Don't fall through those establishment cracks. This is basically a conspiracy to take down Bernie and have, Hillary be the champion that the establishment wants. They don't want anti-establishment. They don't want to lose their power, and they're nervous and they're scared. Go to BernieSanders.com, contribute, keep the word out there, subscribe to my channel, make me bigger, guys, so I can keep making videos for you and everyone else. Feel the burn and keep things in perspective always, guys. Take care.